For 41, distemper, noun disorder. Synonyms: affliction, ailment. Antonyms: health, healer. Sentence: excessive distemper should not be practiced. For 42, tintinnabulation, noun loud ringing. Synonyms: chime, jingle. Antonyms: silence, peace. Sentence: the tintinnabulation that could be heard throughout the village was from the church on the common announcing morning services. For 43, septentrional, adverb polar. Synonyms: northward, Arctic. Antonyms: southward, Antarctic. Sentence: when he tired of the long, septentrional winters of New England, grandfather retired to Florida. For 44, Panglossian, adjective optimistic. Synonyms: assured, confident. Antonyms: pessimistic, uncertain. Sentence: this is simply a Panglossian idea. For 45, anabasis, noun forward movement. Synonyms: advance, progress. Antonyms: hinder, backward. Sentence: reluctantly, the general ordered a hasty anabasis in the face of overwhelming opposing forces. For 46, caitiff, noun coward. Synonyms: scoundrel, louse. Antonyms: brave, bold. Sentence: a woman was killed by a caitiff. For 47, crenel, noun scrape. Synonyms: indentation, incision. Antonyms: increase, bulge. Sentence: leaning into a crenel between two square merlins, he took a deep breath of relief. For 48, flapdoodle, adjective ridiculous situation or behavior. Synonyms: craziness, foolishness. Antonyms: intelligence, judgment. Sentence: you're the last man I ever expected to hear that kind of flapdoodle from. For 49, critical, adjective demanding. Synonyms: analytical, fault-finding. Antonyms: unimportant, trivial. Sentence: it is a critical point of view. For 50, substantive, adjective real. Synonyms: tangible, palpable. Antonyms: impractical, insignificant. Sentence: she knows about its substantive use. For 51, innovation, noun addition. Synonyms: alteration, contraption. Antonyms: stagnation, custom. Sentence: she is known for her innovation. For 52, responsible, adjective accountable. Synonyms: liable, culpable. Antonyms: unaccountable, excused. Sentence: you will be held responsible. For 53, rebuff, noun rejection. Synonyms: rebuke, reprimand. Synonyms: praise, compliment. Antonyms: accept, approve, embrace, welcome, receive. Sentence: when my wife is angry with me, she will rebuff my attempts to get back in her favor. For 55, reconcile, verb adjust. Synonyms: accommodate, attune. Antonyms: refuse, disobey. Sentence: the church split into several factions after the leaders refused to reconcile their differences. 456, admonish, verb exhort. Synonyms: warn, chide. Antonyms: permit, allow. Sentence: critics always admonish me for my pitchy singing. 457, detain, verb confine. Synonyms: constrain, restrain. Antonyms: free, liberate. Sentence: he was detained from giving the examination. For 58, exhume, verb disclose. Synonyms: resurrect, unearth. Antonyms: bury, entomb. Sentence: he exhumed the secret. For 59, succumb, verb bow. Synonyms: surrender, break down. Antonyms: fight, defend. Sentence: he succumbed before the enemy. For 60, bemoan, verb deplore. Synonyms: mourn, lament. Antonyms: be happy, praise. Sentence: they bemoan at the sudden demise of their father. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.